Welcome to Trinity Trades, you guys. We're going to go over this exact entry and this play that we ended up doing on CRM. This is on Salesforce this morning, taking advantage of this spike in the market. If we head over to our Discord, I'm going to show you guys, ended up this morning 42.62%. One of our members were able to take out of this play just by using Trinity indicators. You guys, I do want to give a shout out to a new member that ended up just joining us today, Mr. Winner 12. Thank you so much for joining our team. If you guys have not joined us already, click the link in the bio. This will take you over. This is all inclusive trading. So you guys get instant access to all of our daily alerts, every one of our indicators, private Discord, no monthly fees ever, normally $4.99, but this is a one-time of $1.99. You never have to worry about anything ever in the future. Buy sell indicator, linear regression indicator, advanced dashboard, support and resistance, and of course our Discord as well. But you guys, let's head back over to the chart and I want to show you exactly why we were able to get into this position, and as that one member did, make 42% profit just off of this play. The first thing that I want you guys to do when you get these indicators is snap on this linear regression tool. When you go up to the settings here, you'll be able to see the inputs. On the 4-hour time frame, I always have this on 300. So set this to 300 and then just leave that on your charts. This will automatically populate which way you're heading the market. If you're consolidating back and forth, or if you're trading in an upward direction to be looking for going long or playing calls, or if you're in a bearish heading down, looking for puts. Now in this example, when you're actually trending sideways, what you want to be looking out for are these levels that are specifically coded into this linear regression channel. You can tell from this middle line, as we get higher, these lines become more bold. So this becomes brighter and brighter red, this becomes brighter and brighter green. And it's specifically there to say, look, when we're into these top two deviation levels here, this is a great indication to say you want to be looking for a push to the downside, just as we've done multiple times in the past. So if you would be playing puts when we get into this top red section here, same goes when you get down into these green bottom areas here. And that's where you want to be looking for a push in the market, which we had exactly happen right here. Now, in conjunction with this, the advanced dashboard down here tells a lot of a bigger story of what's going on in the market. So let me explain this to you guys. When you load this onto your charts, I want you to take a look at the first thing is your white line. This is money movement. This is showing if money is flowing into the market, price is increasing, or if money is flowing out of the market, price is then decreasing. You're then going to have this middle band, which represents overall market momentum. When this is red, this means bearish market momentum. The price is going to be decreasing. You can tell we just switched over to green. That means price is increasing. So you want to be having all of your indicators in a biased opinion all pointing in the same direction before entering in on a trade. This is where we end up entering in on CRM, and this is how we were able to take out over 40% profit just closing out this morning. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments. My name is Justin Martin, the founder of Trinity Trades. I'm here to help you guys out the entire way. Have a great rest of your day.